Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The version 2.14.1 of the Linux4W OS is now available for you to download. And thank you so much for all your feedback about the new status bar. And in this version I have added a lot of new modules that I will show you now. When you install the Linux4W OS, for the first time, you see WABAR as the default status bar. We have an alternative in the system which is as powerful as WABAR. So let's close here the Welcome app with super key Q and open the sidebar. And you see here already the new global status bar engine switch, and you can switch from WABAR to Quickshell. And then you have the new Quickshell status bar on top, and when you hover over the status bar you see already all the new modules. You have here the terminal, you have the workspace indicator now with a fixed number of workspaces, but this can be customized, the application launcher, the clock in the middle with the time and date. When you click on it, you open the calendar. Then you have here sway and see and shows up if notifications are available. Then the new power profile menu. When you click on the icon, you see here that little menu popping up, so you can switch between balance mode, power saver and performance. Escape, you close it. Here you have the volume control. Here you see Network Manager Applet in the sys tray. So in case you have a wireless connection, then you can switch here and set up here the connection for your internet access. Here is OBS Studio, and now also the submenus are working. Yeah, though that was an issue in the last version. And you have here the direct access to the sidebar, and the power menu is available here. With super key space you can expand the status bar, and with keyboard commands you can switch between all modules with left and right key, and you can confirm with return. And now we are, for example, on the third workspace. Yeah, you see it here. I switch to the second workspace and back to the third one. Another terminal open, super key space. You can also click on the left side to jump immediately to the right side of the status bar and open the power menu. And with up and down, you can select the power menu option. So no need to touch the mouse. So everything can be done completely with keyboard commands, and that is very important for me. So let's go to the sidebar, because also here is now a new function, status bar expanded. So you can completely disable that hover feature and you can keep the status bar expanded. So you have a full overview of what is going on. Yeah, so also here status bar expanded. If you want to configure the status bar, there is now a new way. Let's open Files. You can go to config, and then you have to create a new folder, my Linux4W status bar. Then I would suggest that you use a pre-configured configuration in mylinux4w.com/os. You have access to the homepage of Linux4W OS. Then you click here on Get Started, and in Apps you find here status bar. And you see here the full configuration file. You can copy that file, go back here to Finder, open the new folder Linux4W status bar, and add here a new text file paste the configuration in and save the file as statusbar.json. Yeah, now we have here the status bar. And now you can start to configure it. For example, you should enable it to true and always expanded to true. And then you have the same configuration as we have here. So status bar is enabled and always expanded is true. So we can, for example, increase the radius, the border radius. We can go to the sidebar, click here on that settings item and click on reload. And now you see that you have here another rounding around your status bar. Let's change a bit more. I will set now the border width to 1. You can, for example, also change the order of the modules and reload, and you see now that the terminal icon is here on the left side of the workspace indicators. At the bottom you can change the date and clock format, and you can here change the number of workspaces to 8. And now you have here 8 workspaces. So here you have first ways to customize the modules and the status bar. And you know, with super key Shift W, you see that the status bar completely follows the background wallpaper. Yeah, so this is also working fine. And by disabling the expanded, you have again the hover feature. Another minor fix is when you open here a Rofi menu, you can click outside of the Rofi menu to close it. So no escape click needed anymore. And that's already it. These are the numbers of improvements of my Linux OS 2.14.1. More will come soon. I will also try to improve the way to configure the status bar with the next version to be here a bit more flexible. But with that, see you next time. Looking forward to your feedback in the comments or as GitHub issues.